everyone, in this video I will show you how to bind quiet book pages. So I have pages. Take first one and the last one and set aside. We will have different story with those pages. Just take 3 inner pages. I prepared binding strips, 5. Each one is 3.5 centimeters wide and approximately 70 centimeters long. Because I'm going to use straight stitch, not the zigzag stitch, so first I need to prepare my binding strips to make it easier to stitch with a straight stitch. Now you have 2 options. First one, take your binding strip, if you have felt ruler, take it, and I need to press the seam allowance here approximately 8 millimeters. So this is it. Or just take your strip, fold it wrong sides together, press with the iron, fold in half. Okay, and fold here only one side and press with the iron. So this is what I need, only one side. I advise you to make a template. Take any plastic folder, cut straight line here 45 degrees. Now using your sewing machine but without the thread, just stitch along the edge here, so you will know where you should stop and where you should turn your page to make corner. Now take your 3 pages. In the book, this page is on the right side of the spread, so I'm going to start sewing the binding strip from this side. Second page from here and third page from here. Place your binding strip approximately here, not from the center but a little bit lower. Okay, the number of the needle is 14 or 90. Straight stitch. The needle comes in the center of the foot, not to the left, not to the right, but in the center, and the length of the stitch is on 3. The edge of the foot comes along the edge of the page, so your stitch will be straight. Take your page, fold the strip like so. So here you will have 45 degrees and here you will have right angle 90 degrees. 45, 90. Take your template like so and fold the strip back like so. So as you may see, the crease comes along the edge of the page. If you are beginner, I advise you to use wonder clips. Take the template out. Okay, like so. I'm going to start sewing from here I'm not making diagonal stitch, but straight stitch from here. Start stitching from here till the next angle. Because you have this crease, it's easy to finish the binding of the pages. Just fold over the page and pin it. Use wonder clips or pins, whatever you like. I will try to show closer. So fold it and pin it. You see this previous stitch? Just pin to the stitch like so. These are temporary pins. But very important that you need to insert the pin not very close to the crease, but leave distance approximately 2-3 millimeters. Otherwise you will have not straight edge of the binding strip. Now adjust the needle to the left. So my guide is this mark on the presser foot. It will come along the crease of the binding strip, and the needle comes 1 millimeter to the left from this mark, same as I stitch the felt. I hope I will be able to show you very close.